Hi everyone, Scar here. Came to a taste test review of Brownberry Hawaiian hamburger buns. And there's no nutritional facts right there. Real quick. But yeah, let's try this bun out. See about this bun. It's a pretty good bun. I mean, I think Hawaiian bread, pretty good bread. Very similar to King's Hawaiian brand. So yeah, but I still prefer King's Hawaiian over Brownberry. I think they nailed it perfectly. Their bread. Yeah, definitely amazing bread. I'm gonna give this a 9 out of 10 rating. Quality of bread's really good, texture of it. So, thank you for watching. Take care, bye now.